So hello guys, we are back again with another question, and this is the second question from today's contest, which says that find the integer. Yes, find the integer added to array 2. So this is a follow-up question to the first. Just a second. This is the follow-up question to the first question. Similar to the first question, we are given two arrays, nums1 and nums2. Yes, and from nums2, but in this question, nums2 is 2 lengths smaller than nums1. So from nums1, two elements have been removed, and now all the other elements have been increased or decreased, represented by a variable x. As a result, those two arrays become equal. Now we need to find the minimum possible integer x that achieve its equivalence. Okay. So we quickly went and first saw the constraints. So constraints are pretty straightforward. And now we shall see what we can do. So constraints are not that much different from the previous problem, but the problem is has slightly become trickier. So if I consider these two arrays, now I know that I have to remove two elements first of all. Then, so I need to make sure two things. I need to remove two elements. Secondly, what I need to make sure that these two elements I removed. Okay, so I removed arbitrarily two elements. Then consistency in subtraction. Consistency in subtraction. What do you mean by consistency in subtraction? Is that suppose I removed 4 and 20. So I have 8, 12 and 16 here, 10, 18, 10, 14 and 18 here. If I sort them and check just like the previous question, then 8 and 10 will give me 2. 12 and 14 will give me 2. 16 and 18 will give me 2. Okay, that's fine. That's fine. That's fine. But what if I removed, let's say I removed 14 and 8. What I removed? I removed 14 and 8. Then my array will become 12, 16, 20 and 10. So 12 and 10 will give 2. 16 and 14 will, okay, so this is also fine. Just a second. If I remove 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, if I remove, let's say 20 and 16, this will definitely work. So if I remove 20 and 16 and check, so now 4 and 10 will give me the difference 6. But I cannot directly return that. 12 and 18 will, 8 and 18 will give me some other difference. 12 and 14 will give me some other difference. So I need to make sure that after removing, there is consistency. In the first question, it was always sure. It was sure that there will be, that there always be an answer. So we need not worry about that. We just sorted and returned. But here, we need to return that answer which gives us the correct one. For example, in this case, if I remove 3 and 5, then there will be different answers. So what I need to remove, I need to remove 3 and 3. And what will be my answer? 5 minus 7. If I remove 5 and 5, then also the answer will be same, but that won't be minimum. So I need to make sure that it is minimum as well. So let us see how we can do that. First of all, clearly, I think we should sort the array. So first of all, without a doubt, we can sort the array nums1 and array nums2. Now, I can try all possible combinations. What I will do, I'll simply go through the array n square way, or you can say twice, and I will take two pairs I and j, and I will remove them, and I will try to get an answer from them, and I will take minimum of that answer. Now, how will I remove that? That is a question. Let us see. Now, just a second. Okay. What I need to make sure, I will first remove this from this and this. So I will iterate both the arrays. I will take two pointers. I will iterate both the arrays. So if n1 is equals to I or j, I need not worry about that. I will simply do n1 plus this. Then this one I done. So I removed those two elements. Now what I need to make sure that there is consistency. So I can use an unordered map. Now for what for I am using an ordered map? To map that, to ensure that there is only one kind of difference. So what I will do is, I will do a MP of nums2 of m2 minus nums1 of n1 plus plus. So I will do a difference, which I will compare. I removed those two. Now the question becomes simple. I have sorted them. So I just need to compare those two. And I need to have the difference. And I will increase both the pointers. Now, if mp dot size, after I did that thing, if mp dot size is equals to 1, that means the map has only one difference, one distinct difference, then that will be my answer. Else, that can be my possible answer. Else, it is not possible. So I will return a int max. I will return a int. So yeah, guys, this was all from this question. Thank you so much, guys. Just in case you like the video, make sure you hit the like button, press the subscribe button, and share it with your friends. Thank you so much, guys. We shall see you next time.